Hi, my name is Carys, and today we're looking at Peek Inside Fairy Tales. And there's 3 books, and I think there's more. So I only have 3. So here is Cinderella Peek Inside Fairy Tale, and it goes through story, and there's little flaps, and then they show where she's a princess, and then there's like big flaps or little flaps. Then there's all the people, and she rolled off. And then they're all fighting. She wants to try on and it fits. And so in the last parts they don't show because they don't really know, but then she gets married. And next flip and flap book.
This is Peek Inside a Fairy Tale.
Peek Inside a
Whoa,
Fairy
Emmeline
Tale.
is climbing on my arm. Can you sit down, please?
Little Red Riding Hood. So you can see her right there. She kind of looks different from the movie or toys. And so there's her house and her mother going to her grandmother's house. And there she is, almost ready, and the wolf snuck in. Oh. And then she said, I'm home, and she said, come in, and then she came in, and then she ate it. And there they are in the tummy, and they chomped him up. Where's the wolf? I don't see the wolf. But yeah, he chomped his belly up, and the grandma saw it. Don't know how I can tell because she has like knitting things right there. So she sewed him all up. And my little Red Riding Hood put rocks in his tummy, and he can never eat anything. And lastly is my favorite. A new movie of this is coming out, which is Beauty and the Beast. I'm so excited for the movie. I have watched all apps of it, all toys, and I'm really excited for it. And I think if there's a book, I would definitely get it, and some of the toys too. So here is Beauty and the Beast. I don't know why she painted her hair purple, but there she is. There's her grandpa, and
I think that's her dad.
Tad. Here are the pieces. And Belle went into the castle.
Okay, put this in a pot.
There's the door that's left open. Can you see the beast? I don't know. Right there. And there's a prince riding a horse, because you know the movie that he turns back into prince, but a princess put a spell right there, and then here is another page. And here we go. The beast is sad. And he runs back, and she figured out the beast be so sad. And here he is, and flip. And he was very shy.
It's hard to see the book when it's laying down like that.
And he was very shy. But this is my favorite page because, never mind.
What happens at the end?
I don't show that part. He turns back into prince because he's dead right now. Because at the sword fighting, somebody puts a sword in him. That was it for today. I'm doing more videos today, and you can see my book pile right here. So I'm gonna show this book and
Yeah, I'll help you with this one.
different videos. And my name is Carys, and I work with my mom and she's an Usborne. Bye.